Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Fahim Mentor. My name is Fahim. So guys, today I am going to talk about SEO and I am going to show you, I am going to tell you in this video that one of the most amazing and high using SEO tool or SEO software that will that will help you grow your website traffic in a very incredible way and with a specific and with a very actual data. So guys, let's get started. My name is Faim and you are watching Faim Mentor. So if you so guys, I will like to tell you just that please watch this video till the end so that you get the amazing tool or software so that it will help you grow and it will easily help you in SEO ranking. So guys, let's get started. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please go and subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the updated video and upcoming video information and notification every time. So guys, let's get started. So what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Now, what is search engine optimization and how it will help you grow your business? Like if you have a website and if you want to grow your website traffic, means you have a website and your website have a very low visitor. So this means that you have didn't done a SEO for that website. So how SEO will work and how it will help you in business, like when you do SEO for your website, then it means that it will help you rank your website in Google search engine. So when people search when people search about regarding the requirement in the search engine, and it when it's relate to your business, when someone is searching for digital marketing service in Kolkata or digital marketing service in Pune or digital marketing service in Mumbai or in Bangalore. So when they are doing that, when they are searching for this keyword, and if your website rank on the Google search engine, then this means it's a very high chance that you will get. So it will help you grow your business like a way. So when people search for it, so if you stand on the first position, so it is a very high chance that people will click on your website link and go into your website, inside your website, and they will fulfill the requirement, like with the information, or if they are looking for service, then they will submit a form or they will connect with you regarding a via email or via WhatsApp call or normal call or with address. So it's most important that you are coming in front of those visitor or those searcher, those who are searching for your type of category of business, or those who are typing the keyword that relate to your business. So this will help you on growing business, and if you generate 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000 traffic on your website per month, then this means it's a very high chance for the conversion. So if the people are visiting your site, so most probably you can get more than 200% of conversion with a maximization of your traffic, when if you are generating it in a very high level. So it's very important for you to select those keywords which have a very high volume of search, and with a low competitive keywords, and with a specific keyword that relate to your business or relate to your services. So now go further about what are the things required in SEO and what are the three things important in SEO, how it SEO work and what we do in SEO. So number one is on page SEO, number two is off page SEO, and number three is technical SEO. What is on page SEO? On page SEO means optimizing your website page or optimizing your whole website or whole the web page content with meta tags, like title, meta description, schema, and with content with a high quality of content with keywords, that it should be in such a way that when user read, they will get the information as they are looking for. And the in on page SEO, it's also come regarding for sitemap and regarding for robot.txt. So when it's all about crawling, means when Google crawler, when you submit your site in Google, Google bot come into your website and crawl your whole website. Okay, so it means that the Google will declaring, or the Google will make sure that your website is well optimized, so that the Google can help you rank your website and take your website position in the first page. So if your website having showing any error regarding crawling or regarding indexing, then what this mean? This mean that Google crawler is facing some problem while crawling your website. So this will harm your website traffic, and it will ultimately not will it will ultimately give the bad effect to Google algorithm, and the Google crawler will not rank your website on the first position. So now let's talk about off-page SEO. What is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO means creating backlinks, building backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are it's a type of strategy where you implement to put your website link on different website, like it can be a business directory, or it can be a guest blogging, or it can be image submission, video submission, business directory submission, article submission, forum submission, question answer submission, where you connect with the people those already in that marketplace, like in business directory or in forum or inside the social platform, those who are searching for your type of business or looking for that type of your type of business category. If you put some content, and inside your content if you put your link, then this means that when people come or see the content, they will also visit your website, and it will help crawler also. How it will help? Likewise, if you have a digital marketing business, and if there is some blogger writing about digital marketing, and if a blogger mentioning your website link into their own blogging content, then this mean crawler will think that those blogger are preferring your website to the user. Then this mean you have a high visibility, and the brand awareness will be high, and it means that people are noticing your website in a very high rate. So it will help you in backlink, and it will help you grow. It will help you rank your website in the first position. The Google will think that your website is making more visibility through other website, or in other type of other website which related to your business, those who are writing about digital marketing, SEO, content writing, content marketing, Google ad, social media marketing. And if they are mentioning your link, your website link into their own website, so it means that it ultimately the Google crawler will crawl those blogs, and if they see your website link, then this means that crawler will understand that your website is getting more higher visibility, and the person who's writing those type of blog will also, it means for the crawler that you have a high engagement rate. So let's talk about technical SEO. Technical SEO means all about crawling and indexing. How the website is crawling, how is the crawling rate when the website is crawling, and if the crawler is in it means a crawler is impacting any or facing any problem by crawling the website. So these are the things which comes in technical SEO. Now let's talk about the most important thing. Let's talk about the most important thing, the SEO tool. Now I will show you the most amazing high using SEO tool that will help your business grow through SEO. So here it is, SERPd.net. SERP search engine result page ed.net is a all-in-one SEO tool where you will find more than 50 tool in one place. This is can this tool can be used by agencies, blogger, or freelancer, or anyone with a small startup. So you will get all the information about these things. So here are some of the comprehensive SEO tool which are shown are listed below, like keyword research, SEO analysis, site management, reporting, client acquisition, rank tracking. So what are these keyword research? You can easily do keyword research, which keyword are high volume of search and with low competitive, and what are the keyword datas are there. You can easily search, or you can easily do with these tool, with the SERP tool. Now SEO analysis means your how your website, from where your website is getting backlinks, and how your website is the website is being crawled by Google, will all the things, and what are your competitors are doing, you can analyze from SEO analysis tool. SEO site management will help you manage your site and track your site. If the site facing any crawling issue, or any backlink issue, or any sitemap or indexing issue, you will have a look. You can check it out from this tool sitemap. Now rank tracking. If you have 10 keywords, and if you are working with 10 keywords, then you can track all your 10 keywords, how the 10 keywords are working. If any keywords is ranking, if any keywords have a improve in rank, or it have a deflation in ranking, you can track your every keyword rank from this tool. Client acquisition. If you have a digital marketing agency, and if you have more client, and you are working for more client, as you're doing SEO for more client or for your external client, then you can give all the client website, and you can start doing and optimizing their website with these tool. And reporting, you will get a generate reporting via PPT and via PDF. If you can also set a time when this tool will generate the report automatically, and it will email you on your email, send you the report through email. So here is the solution is there. The tools are all there. Agencies, the domain finding, you can find the domain authority, what are the domain authority for your competitor, so that you can create backlinks and all that. So there are many things you can get help from this tool. It's called a ninja tool. You can get very much information and exact information and exact data about SEO from this SERP tool. So if you need, and you can get the 3 month free, you can get a 3 month free access. While if you purchase this SEO tool, so you will get the link in the description. If you are looking this video in YouTube, then you will get the link in the description at the top, and if you are looking in the Facebook, then you will get the link on the above of this video description. So here is the thing, if you like this video, then please like and share my video, and give a click my the link, or click the like button, and also share this video with other, and also with your friends, and with the person who is working in SEO. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, share this video, and if you have any question, then ask me in the comment box. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and have a great day and good luck.